Hi guys, welcome back to your channel HIT, Hack, Idea and Trick. Let's get started with Speedy HIT number 1. With time, our glasses turn cloudy. To get their shine and life back, what could we do? So for that, you need a big utensil, hot water to fill the utensil completely with it, and 1 or 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. As and when your utensil is half filled with hot water, just add those glasses inside and fill it completely with hot water. You can add white vinegar after filling the utensil with water. Just add it and let it sit there for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the glasses will be little hot, but you can take it out with your bare hand, as I am doing it. Just take it out and use any particular cloth to clean it properly. Completely dry it and you will see the shine is back in your glasses. You can also use your dishwasher if it allows hot cleaning. That's what restaurant people usually do. There is another method which I am going to show right now. Boil water in any particular utensils with added vinegar. Just dip those cloudy glasses here and take some sort of steam from it, and then just wipe off with a clean cloth. You will see the changes, how crystal clear these glasses will shine. I'll show it in a bit. Make sure to completely dry it and wipe off any moisture present inside. Then only the shine will come purely. So this is the final look which I can show you after cleaning both the glasses.